Shine in the spotlight. Understanding in the limelight. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, in the limelight. Have you ever wondered what it means to be in the limelight or how to use this phrase in your conversations? Well, you're in the right place. Let's shed some light on this expression and discover its origins, meanings, and how you can use it in your everyday English. In the limelight refers to being at the center of attention in a position where one is noticed by many people. It can be used when someone is receiving a lot of public attention, perhaps due to their achievements, fame, or because they are currently the subject of media focus. The phrase conveys the idea of someone being in a spotlight, where all eyes are on them, highlighting their actions or presence. The term, limelight, has an interesting history that dates back to the 19th century. Originally, it referred to a type of stage lighting used in theaters. This lighting was created by heating a piece of lime in a flame, which produced a brilliant light that was then focused on performers to highlight them on stage. Being in the limelight meant that an actor was under this intense, bright light, making them the focal point of the audience. Over time, the phrase evolved beyond theater to describe anyone who is receiving a significant amount of attention or publicity. Using in the limelight in your conversations can add a touch of sophistication and variety to your language. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to incorporate this phrase into your speech. When talking about celebrities, after her latest movie, she's really in the limelight. Discussing someone's achievements, his groundbreaking research has put him in the limelight within the scientific community. Reflecting on personal experiences, I've never liked being in the limelight. I prefer to keep a low profile. Remember, the phrase is often used in contexts where someone is getting a lot of attention, whether they seek it or not. Being in the limelight is all about being in that spotlight, where your actions, achievements, or presence command attention. Whether in the theater, the world of celebrities, or even in our day-to-day lives, we see examples of this phrase in action. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of in the limelight for you. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to try using this phrase in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.